And here is good bearing, and look the difference. This is silent. No any sound. And then this same part, like in here, in this way, and then it rotates really easily with only one finger. And then there is no any this rumbling and this hard movement in my fingers. This is smooth rotation. Compare these things. This is hard. I can't rotate that with my one finger. It is so I need full hand. And then this like rumbles up and down. And we can hear the sound. It vibrates all areas. And this is really what is car, SUV or truck bearing failure. This is excellent example. And this bearing is really inside in this unit. In here, look. This is well and okay. And bearings are inside in here. I have to cut this thing that we can see, and there is ABS sensor, and this is like Toyota's rear areas bearing hoop. And these are those wheel bolts are in here. I have to take this away in here.